You know that Estalon underlays provide more comfort and extend the lifespan of your floor. But did you also know that we intend to make life easy for all floor installers? Want to know how? Well, we produce underlays that are quick and easy to install. For instance, this Egalsoft carpet underlay with an anti-slip treated layer. Thanks to impregnated nonwoven, you'll not only save a lot of glue, but you'll also get many more meters done within the same time. Talk about saving money. But there's more to tell about Egalsoft. It's easy and quick to install thanks to the anti-slip treated layer. It has an outstanding leveling capacity together with a high impression recovery capacity. And it's easily removable without damaging the base floor. Egalsoft also provides 27 decibel noise reduction. Then there's Egalsoft fire retardant flooring, underlay with a BFL1 S1 fire safety certificate. Since its introduction in 1993, millions of square meters of Egalsoft FR has been installed in hotels, ships and casinos. For more information, call our customer service at this number. Estalon. We will improve your floor.